Today we found an old and badly damaged Rolls Royce that once belonged to a wealthy Mafia family deep in the sea. It was in terrible condition, almost completely destroyed by water and time. First, we carefully pulled it out of the water. With great effort, we attached cables and slowly lifted it, bringing it safely into our restoration room. The very first step was cleaning. We washed the entire car thoroughly and started fixing the dents and damaged body parts. Then we removed the engine and repaired its electrical system. We cleaned it from the inside and prepared it for rebuilding. After that, we focused on the body. We painted it, removed rusted areas, and restored its shape beautifully. Next, we worked on the engine again, preparing important parts and fixing the electrical wiring. Finally, we started the engine, and it worked perfectly. Then we prepared the battery and installed it properly. After that, we reassembled the engine and checked all the important details. We tested the car thoroughly, even pushing it to high performance levels to make sure everything was working perfectly. After that, we installed the original logos and the front emblem. We removed all scratches, repainted the car, polished it, and completed the final detailing. Then the interior work began. We restored the dashboard, fitted the engine again, set the doors properly in place, and installed the windows and glass. Once the interior was completed, we installed the seats and finished all remaining details. Now our car looked like a brand new 2020 model, ready to return to the road. Before final delivery, we took it for a test drive to make sure nothing was left incomplete. If you are still watching and you enjoy videos like this luxury car restoration, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, tell us in the comments how you liked this Rolls Royce restoration.